Yeah. There, I look Diwata. Diwata! Let's go to the beach. Ano ang baon mo sa beach? Lakas ng loob. Our karma is so digital. That's why I also have lakas ng loob. Char. Sun blue, damn blue. Si Kalisi! Si Kalisi! Andun, habulin natin. Ang daming mangga. Hi, handsome. Yay, beach.
O yan. Okay na yan.
Ayaw. Beach life be like Kylie, nog-nog, sexy. Beach life be like ubusan na outfit. Okay, where are you going? He loves doing that. Maglalaban na naman siya. It's outside, babe. Get those stuff. There. And as for me, let's make up. Ganon. Done. Parang partner kami ng wall. So what do you want me to use? Gayuma or kilig?
Kahit ano, babe.
Ang ginagawa mo? Babe?
Oh.
You like my earrings? Happy New Year! Sila Janina, dito mag-honeymoon sa Boracay. Tayo.
Sa Bali.
namin ka sa Astoria para sa pretty that buffet ko.
Yung totoo.
Sa Bali nga.
What did you say kanina kasi?
Baga.
Saan nga?
Sa ibang bansa nga.
Because?
You're not ordinary. You're special.
Am I inhuman? Charot. Ano yan? Maglala ng singer. Gusto ko ng Jonas shake. Because we hated the massage kanina, we're going here. Nag-makeup ako kasi pupunta kami sa spa. Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Kumakain siya ng hot shots. And he's about to have a massage. Bakit may ganyan? Ano yan, ate? Ketchup? Mustard? Oil? We're going to have Pinoy Hilot and this is the ritual. Para kaming magiging pagkain. Charot. After massage glove. No, that was good. Did you like it?
Yeah.
No. No. We have free chinelas. He likes his. Nakakaputi daw yung paa niya. Ayan, bet niya. Mag-swim-swim pag wala na ang araw. Baywatch.
Laking milyon din?
Mas mahal mga yung tricycle, sir. 720 ganyan.
Ayun?
Tricycle lang, dalayo na.
Kukunin na ang labada. All mine. Let's night swimming. If you want to see Ron on his stars, please follow his Instagram account at ronmichael23.
Gusto ko ito?
It's cute. There.
Sa ate tita.